I hadn't set foot on the farm in almost 10 years. City life had taken over. Suits, deadlines, noisy streets, and overpriced coffee. But then, one quiet morning, the phone rang. It was Dad. "Grandpa's not doing so well," he said. "He wants you to come home for harvest." It hit me like a bag of feed. Grandpa was the heart of that farm, the kind of man who could fix anything with duct tape, a wrench, and stubbornness. He raised cattle, kids, and hell, all in equal parts. So I packed a bag, took a week off, and headed back to the land I used to call home. When I pulled into the gravel driveway, there it was, the old John Deere 4020, sitting where it always had. Faded green paint, dents on the side, rust creeping along the exhaust. That tractor was older than I was, and tougher too. Grandpa was waiting on the porch, leaning on a cane he swore he didn't need. He looked up at me, eyes wrinkled with years and sun. "Thought you forgot how to get here," he grumbled. I smiled. Just took the long way. That week was harvest. Early mornings, late nights, dust in your lungs and sore muscles by sundown. Grandpa insisted on riding in the tractor with me. At first I was annoyed. I thought I knew what I was doing. But every pass across the field he'd point something out. "Keep your line straight. Don't fight the dirt, let it guide you. Listen to the engine, it'll tell you when it's had enough." He wasn't just teaching me how to drive a tractor. He was teaching me how to work with the land, how to listen, how to respect it. One morning, he didn't come out of the house. Dad told me he was tired, needed to rest. So I took the tractor out alone. The sun was rising through the mist, casting a gold glow over the field. For the first time I heard it, the rhythm of the engine, the quiet hum of the earth. I felt connected to something bigger, something old. Halfway through the field, I stopped the tractor, stepped out and just listened. Birds, wind, a distant dog barking, and memories. That evening, Grandpa came out to watch the final rows. He stood at the edge of the field, leaning on his cane, watching as I finished the last pass. When I climbed down from the tractor, he looked at me, proud, tired. "You did good," he said. I nodded. "You taught me well." He looked out over the field, golden and clean. "This might be my last harvest," he said softly, "but it won't be the last for this land." We didn't say much after that. We didn't need to. Some things are passed down without words, through hands in the dirt, through the purr of a well-kept engine, through the quiet pride of a job done right. That old tractor's still running, and every time I hear it roar to life, I remember that week. The week I came home. The week of Grandpa's last harvest.